Good morning, student of class 6. I am a computer teacher Sonji sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss some MCQ question answer for clear the concept of first term examination, because the first term examination is mainly based on MCQ. Okay, so uh, all of you need to know the question pattern of first term examination, and also discuss the computer project which all of you have to do in your computer copy. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see the syllabus of first term examination. I know all of you have already know the syllabus of first term examination, the first 4 chapters which are included in the first term examination. Okay, now move on to the project. Here you can see the details about the computer project, and there are 3 topics which all of you have to do in your computer copy. Okay, so number 1 topic is draw or paste a diagram of Windows Explorer and write the steps to open it with a brief description. That means uh, all of you have to draw a diagram of Windows Explorer. Okay, all of you have to draw a diagram on your computer copy. Okay, your computer copy Windows Explorer diagram, and discuss the about the Windows Explorer and also write the steps to open Windows Explorer. दैट मीन्स आप लोगों को क्या करना होगा कि विंडोज़ एक्सप्लोरर का जो पिक्चर बुक में दिया गया है उसको ड्रॉ करना होगा, उसके बाद उसी का डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखना होगा किस क्या होता है, उससे कौन से चीज़ के लिए यूज़ होता है, और उसका जो स्टेप्स है टू ओपन द स्टेप्स, हाउ टू ओपन विंडोज़ एक्सप्लोरर, उसका जो स्टेप्स है उसको लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द टॉपिक नंबर 1. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ ऑल्सो सेम, राइट द स्टेप्स टू चेंजिंग द वॉलपेपर विथ प्रॉपर डायग्राम. दैट मीन्स आप लोगों को क्या करना होगा, जो बुक में दिया गया है पेज नंबर 28 पे जो स्टेप्स टू चेंजिंग द वॉलपेपर विंडोज़ वॉलपेपर, जो स्टेप्स वहाँ पे दिया गया है उसको करना होगा, और जो पिक्चर वहाँ पे दिया गया है उसको भी ड्रॉ करना होगा. ओके, next is explain the different ways of drawing a table in a MS Word with a proper diagram. Same process, we all know that there are 3 different way to draw a table in MS Word. So वो जो 3 डिफरेंट वेज है उसको हम लोगों को डायग्राम भी क्रिएट करना होगा, ड्रॉ करना होगा, और उसका जो स्टेप्स है उसको भी हम लोगों को लिखना होगा. आप लोगों को पता है कि कंप्यूटर कॉपी कैसा, जो ब्लैंक पेज है आप लोग वहाँ पे ड्राइंग करेंगे, और जो रूल पेज है उसमें आप लोग लिखेंगे, डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, जो भी स्टेप्स है वो वहाँ पे लिखेंगे. ओके, एंड जब आप लोगों को ये सब कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, जो 6 अक्टूबर को आपको जमा करना है स्कूल में. ओके, लास्ट डेट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट सबमिशन इज 6 अक्टूबर. ओके, सो आई होप दैट ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द project, computer project. All 3 topics are taken from your book. Okay, so all of you have to follow the book. आप लोग बुक से ही आप लोग कर पाएंगे. ओके, सो नाउ मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन आंसर सेक्शन. here you can see the different types of MCQ question answer are there, and the first term exam is mainly based on MCQ. Okay, so all of you have to listen carefully, and one thing I want to tell all of you that please read the question properly. Okay, read the question properly to understand the meaning of the question. Okay, read the question first, then go to the options. Okay, and as all of you know that the basically MCQ question answer coming from inside the chapter. Okay, inside the chapter, so all of you have to read the chapter properly. Okay, read the chapter very carefully. Okay, so now discuss as first question is the features helps us to view the desktop and its gadgets. So here you can see the options. First is arrow snap, next is arrow shake, and third is arrow peek, and fourth is arrow flip 3D. So we all know that the arrow peek is the features which help us to view the desktop and its gadgets. So we need to tick the arrow peek option. Okay, next is which is not an example of word processing software. Okay, read the question carefully. Which is not an example of word processing software? First option is MS Word, next option is PageMaker, third option is MS PowerPoint, and fourth option is WordPad. We all know that the first option MS Word, PageMaker, and the last option WordPad, which are mainly example of word processing software, but option number 3 MS PowerPoint is an example of presentation software. So the right answer is option number 3 MS PowerPoint. Okay, next question is which of the following tab allow you to change the alignment of the text. That means which of the following tab allow you to change the alignment of the text. Here are the options: design tab, home tab, view tab, and the layout tab. The fourth option is layout is the correct answer. Okay, layout is the correct answer. I missed to bold the correct answer of question number 3. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Okay, option number 4 is the correct answer. Layout is the right answer. Question number 4 is from the following which is the components of mail merge. Which is the component of mail merge? Okay, first is main document, next is data source, third is merge document, and last is all of this. We all know that the mail merge has three main components: main document, data source, and the merge document. So all these options are correct. So option number 4 is correct, all of these. Okay, all these following options are correct. So option number 4 is correct. Next is machine level language is also known as assembly language, high level language, low level language, and none of these. Okay, so you all know that the machine level language is also known as the low level language. Okay, so question number 5 is now option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay, move on to next page. Here you can see question number 6 is which features divides a single cell into multiple cells. Which features divides a single cell into multiple cells? Merge cell, tables properties, split cells, and table style. We all know the split means divided into multiple. Okay, divided into multiple. So option question number 6 option number 3 is the correct answer, split cells. Okay, next is which of the technology is in use today? 3G, 2G, 1G, 4G. This is a very simple question, and option number 4 is correct answer. 4G the technology is in use today. Okay, next is what is the extension of Adobe Flash Video? What is the extension of Adobe Flash Video? .exe, .avi, .swf, or .txt? So option number 3 .swf is the correct answer. The .swf is the extension of Adobe Flash Video. Okay, next is the mail merge does not allow to create letters, label, books, and envelopes. Okay, so we all know that the option number 3 books, mail merge does not allow us to create books. Okay, books. Next is Windows 10 operating system released in 2013, 2014, 2015, or 2016. The Windows 10 operating system released in 2015. I hope that all of you understand the concept of MCQ question answer, and if you observe this question answer, maximum number of questions are inside the chapter. Okay, maximum number of questions are coming from inside the chapter. Okay, so all of you have to read the chapter very carefully. Okay, I always told that please read the chapter very carefully to better perform in the examination. Okay, so I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will discuss the project work once again, and also discuss some sample MCQ question answer. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.